Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best snow shovel is probably one of the most convenient tools to have during winter. Imagine effortlessly clearing your walkways and driveways without the hassle of cords or the strain of manual shoveling. This video is all about the cordless rechargeable snow shovel, a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their winter routine and reclaim their time. Let's dive in and see what makes this tool a must-have for the snowy season. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This kit includes everything you need for snow removal. It comes with a snow shovel, a protective cover, an ice scraper, a battery, and a charger. With a 400W motor, this snow shovel is powerful. It can move up to 1,620 pounds of snow on a single charge, making the job quick and easy. Forget about cords and enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. You can easily clear snow from decks, patios, and walkways with maximum maneuverability. It clears a 13-inch wide and 6-inch deep path in one pass. This allows for quick and thorough snow removal with minimal effort. The 24V battery provides up to 22 minutes of runtime. This allows you to clear snow quietly and efficiently without interruption. What we like. This kit has everything you need to tackle winter weather. It includes a protective cover and ice scraper, making it a complete solution. If you have a driveway, sidewalk, or patio to clear, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for all-in-one convenience. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. I held off writing this review until given the opportunity to beat the living heck out of it. After 8 snowstorms here in northern New England, and putting SJ to use after every single one, I feel I can safely say to you that this is a durable unit that does what it claims. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. I used it on our back deck. And it works just great. Throws the real good. Plus, I used it on the backyard for an area for the dog to use when she goes out for the bathroom. I'm really impressed with snow shovel. I did have another one, but I had to plug it and had to haul around the cord, then wait until it was warm so I can put it away. I so great to use and throws the snow great, plus it easy to use and lightweight. I would recommend one these for the deck. Number 4. Snow Joe 24V SS11 XR Cordless Electric Snow Shovel. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V SS11 XR, the cordless snow shovel kit. It's designed for quick and easy snow removal on sidewalks and steps. This tool makes winter maintenance a breeze. This snow shovel features a tough, 2-blade auger. It clears an 11-inch wide path and throws snow up to 20 feet. It is perfect for tackling tough snow conditions. The efficient battery and quick charger allow you to clear up to 370 square feet per charge. No gas or oil is needed, making it convenient and environmentally friendly. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, it features an ergonomic dual-handle design. This design ensures comfort, reduces strain, and makes it easy to carry around. The 400-watt motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It is ideal for small to medium areas, making the job quick and efficient. What we like. This model is all about efficiency. It clears up to 75 pounds of snow per minute, making quick work of any snowfall. If you're looking for a snow shovel that's easy to maneuver and won't strain your back, this is the one. Its ergonomic design makes it a joy to use. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. I held off writing this review until given the opportunity to beat the living heck out of it. After 8 snowstorms here in northern New England, and putting SJ to use after every single one, I feel I can safely say to you that this is a durable unit that does what it claims. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. It was easy to put together and I opted to go with the supplied battery. So far, so good. The battery holds a charge for a good 25 minutes before needing a recharge. Number 3. Snow Joe 24V SS10 Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This snow shovel features a 2-blade auger, clearing a 10-inch wide and 6-inch deep path. It can throw snow up to 20 feet, making winter snow removal quick and easy. You'll be done in no time. Powered by a 24V 4Ah battery, this snow shovel clears up to 1,650 pounds of snow per charge. It's cordless, so you don't need gas or oil, perfect for small to medium-sized areas. It's very convenient. Weighing only 12.8 pounds, this snow blower is easy to maneuver. The ergonomic dual-handle design reduces strain during use. It's also portable for easy storage. Equipped with a 400W motor and quick charger, this snow shovel kit ensures fast snow clearing. It's perfect for sidewalks, walkways, patios, steps, and other outdoor spaces. You'll love how easy it is to use. Built with rugged materials and overload protection, this battery-operated machine offers reliable performance. It's designed to last even in the harshest winter conditions. You can count on it season after season. What we like. This snow shovel is built to last. It's constructed with rugged materials and overload protection, ensuring reliable performance in harsh conditions. If you like a product that can withstand the test of time and handle tough winter conditions, you should consider this one. It's a durable and dependable choice. What people say. It really did a beautiful job. I can lift the machine, in pretty good balance, to skim the top of the snow, making the snowbank much more digestible. I am mobility challenged, but I can use and manipulate this much easier than the blower. It is powerful, lightweight, and quick, and while I have 2 batteries, I've never had to change batteries midstream. Number 2. SuperHandy 20V Cordless Snow Shovel. This cordless snow shovel makes clearing snow a breeze. It's designed for patios, decks, driveways, and sidewalks. You can easily clear a path with it. With its 20V electric motor, it removes up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. The snow can be thrown up to 25 feet away. Forget about gas, oil, and emissions. This snow shovel offers quiet operation and requires no maintenance. It's a cleaner and greener choice. Weighing only 10 pounds, it features an adjustable handle and curved auger blades. This design ensures efficient snow clearing with less strain. It's ideal for hard surfaces. Always remember to use proper protective gear when operating it. Also, avoid submerging it in water for safe use. What we like. This model offers impressive power in a compact package. It throws snow up to 25 feet, making it ideal for clearing larger areas. If you are looking for a snow shovel that's easy to handle and provides excellent snow clearing performance, this is a great option. It's perfect for both residential and light commercial use. What people say. It was actually easier to lift than the cardboard boxes it was shipped in. Its smaller 10 width is much better suited to clearing small spaces with tight corners, and even the lower capacity, lower power 20V battery was fine for the job, while making the weight and maneuverability far superior. You only need to hold the safety button to start it, then you can let it go. Number 1. Greenworks 40V 12-inch Cordless Snow Shovel. Introducing the Greenworks Snow Shovel, designed for easy snow removal. This lightweight and powerful tool makes winter maintenance simple. With a 12-inch shoveling width, this snow shovel clears a path efficiently. It effectively moves snow aside, saving you time and effort. This shovel has the power to throw snow out of your way. It ensures efficient and effective snow removal, even in moderate conditions. This snow shovel is best suited for snow depths up to 6 inches. It's perfect for handling moderate snowfall, making your job easier. For optimal performance, use the battery at room temperature. Cold temperatures can hinder the starting process, so keep that in mind. If the unit doesn't start, remove the battery and let it warm up indoors. After 10 minutes, reinstall the battery for a quick and successful start. What we like. This snow shovel is designed for ease of use. It effortlessly moves snow out of your way, making winter maintenance a breeze. If you are looking for a snow shovel that is easy to use and perfect for handling moderate snowfall, you should consider this one. It's a great choice for those who want a hassle-free snow removal experience. What people say. What used to take me like 45 minutes shoveling I can now do in 5 minutes or less, and that's not an exaggeration. I found it works great on soft snow and hard icy snow alike, which I was worried about. Also, just to try, I did do our 2-car wide and 3-car long driveway, and I was able to do it in about 35 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.